Hello. Wait, hello, YouTube. Oh my god. I hope nothing else blows up in the process of this filming. Hello, YouTube. This is impossible. Okay, anyway. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? I'm doing okay, thank you very much. I appreciate your helpfulness. Tonight we are going out to Wegmans, and we're going to eat, and then we're going to come home, and then I'm going to edit this. So that's pretty much it, because I want to cut it short, because I'm already at 23 seconds. So I'm pretty much going to cut this short. By the way, in case you didn't know this, this was filmed after all the filming for the vlog was done. In case you didn't know that. Yeah. So this was filmed afterward because we didn't do what we planned. Also, enjoy the vlog. Go watch the vlog. So we've been here at Wegmans for half an hour, maybe. Okay. And I've been nomming on the sandwich. I hate sesame seeds, so I tried to take off the sesame seeds. Go away, I'm nomming on a sandwich. Ooh, now I'm done my sandwich. Ooh. It's like a little train. I bet I could do the moonwalk on this floor. I could slide around like this all day. A train. It's awesome. It follows you around. Looks like there could be a camera in there, you know? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, this place is gigantic. This is 14A. So, if that's 13A, is there a 13B? It's a big place. It's a big store with a lot of stuff in it. And enormously large, plushy stuffed animals. But I could live here. I could live off all the supplies here. The ceiling looks fuzzy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the ceiling looks fuzzy. And that's okay. Total sucks. My god. The candy. Oh my god. Look at that.
For a can of cranberry jelly.
5 different colors of M&Ms. I'm just kidding. That's not 5. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's probably about 19 different colors of M&Ms. Oh my god. This place. This place. You see this? You see this? Look at all this. Look at all these jelly beans. It's insane. No, don't run away without me. Soups, 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 more soups, more soups, more soups, more soups, more soups. It's a lot of soup. Soups in a monotone voice. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I know what you're saying. Bullshit dick. Yes. Okay. Sheeps. Wee! I want to slide around. Oh, that was fun. Okay. This is what I do in my spare time. I just slide around like a pro. You ready? You ready? Yeah. Wow. Wow. Huh. Tiny little section of healthy stuff. And enough water that could last you 3 zombie invasions.
Ew, grapefruit. Ew.
What?
They have grapefruit flavored soda.
Well,
And mango.
they got enough stuff. Soda. Soda! God, I wish I had Heelys. Do you remember those Heelys? I used to use them all the time and like scoot around there in Costco. It was a lot of fun. I miss those. I want to go get some Heelys today. Woo. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys like my fishies? My fishing hat? I just so happen to have it on me. Do you like it? Dad, can I just wear this around the store? Fun stuff. Oh. That sucks. Dad needs a feminine deodorant today. Pretty sure Wegmans Sales Associate can help you find it. Wow. An entire 99 cents for cough drops. What a ripoff. Look at these many tubes of toothpaste. Look at that. Look how cute they are. They're so mini. Crest Pro Health. They're so cute. What else we got? We got these tiny, cute little Colgate things. Look at that.
It's caught us in time. It's cat food.
Cat food?
I'm on it.
Ah, she'll need some food for me, because I'm a cat. I'm as quick as a cat. And I don't have an analogy for that. I did that. You guys know that? I solved the Rubik's Cube 400 times. It was a lot of fun. So, cat food. I think the pets were over there. Right? There. Right there. See? Can I get that stuff? It's my favorite kind of food. Liver. Put it in my cat dish tomorrow. I have a lot of them.
5 bags that big. It's a big giveaway.
Bruiser. A bruiser. It's like a slap to the face. At least the car is right there, though. But still. Woo! It's freezing. Ow! Piss. Woo!
Get in the car. You're not dressed to be out here.
What do you mean? I feel great. I feel energized and stuff. Woo! I thought GTA was going to be like a random game where you just drive around. But then I realized you can actually get out and shoot the crap out of people, so I didn't get it. It's cold out here.
Seatbelt on.
It's very cold. Oh, that's good.
15 minutes to take it, and I was drowsy.
Did you know Chuck Norris swallowed an entire bottle of sleeping pills? They made him blink. You know, when Chuck Norris was born, the only person that cried was the doctor. Never slapped Chuck Norris. I don't know. I don't have any other jokes off the top of my head. He's awesome. I'm gonna go review all my video footage. Ah! Okay. Yeah, you're screwed. You're screwed. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You're running a friggin'... Ah, why'd you just run a red light?
It was pink.
A shade of red. Okay, you guys probably can't see me, but I'm gonna wrap this extremely random vlog up. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye. Get off my screen. Bye.